Hi, I quickly want to show you how easy it can be to filter DocConfigs directly from the DocConfig selection component. So in this case, we have quite a big list of DocConfigs, as you can see here. So it would be easier for a user that they can just filter that. If you go to edit page and you select the component, you will see that on the components there is an option to say show filter DocConfigs. So I check this. Now I will save. After the changes are saved, we can quickly go and refresh the page, and we can see that now the new filter functionality is available. This is the filter functionality, and if I would change search for demo, then this is all the ones with demo. If I would search for numbering, then there is only one with numbering. So this is how easy you can just filter on a DocConfig component.